Hello, today we're going to be making a higher or lower game. So it will randomize the number and then you need to guess the number. And then one thing is interesting is it's with like GUI on the website. Like with flask. Yeah, with flask. So this will be in Python. We're going to do with Python. Then we're gonna need the flask module. We're gonna say import random. Let's say correct number. Oh, correct number will be random dot random 1 to 100. And then we're gonna say app equals to the flask, let's say name, then we're gonna say app dot, let's say this will be the homework, that home we'll say. Then we're gonna return it's called h1. Style will be, let's say text, align, center. Then we're gonna say welcome to number guessing game. Welcome to number guessing game. Then we're gonna say h1. Then we're gonna say h1. We're like HTML, but we're typing this in .py, not in .html. So we're going to use a framework called Flask. Then we are going to be like over here, h2. If you want to guess, this will be like to let them know where to type. So you're the creator, but like other people like players, they won't know. So I included this. Go to the right and type this and no space. Then type in the guess number, we'll say, like this, h2. We're gonna close this. We're gonna say paragraph 2, 1 to 100 guess. And then P. Yes. Then you can like go to, this will be an image source. Oh wait, I forgot. I need to put this over here. Like this is an image source, so you can put whatever image you like, as I said. This is an image source. We'll say source. Like, for example, like HTTPS media dot. You can put whatever image you like. I forgot to put the links over here, so I gotta put these links in the description, so you can just copy it and paste it. We'll say I need to type this again right now because I haven't copied and pasted this. We're gonna say 5C 6T AT is BC Giphy dot gif then the width will be, let's say width will be 300. Yeah, let's just copy this and paste, let's say like over here. I'll go ahead and do like this. There we go. It's like that. For this, but this will be 1 to 100. Oh, this will be like P. Oh, let's run this again. Oh wait, I haven't put this yet. We'll say if name equals to the main will say app.run debug equals to, let's say, true. There we go. We got it. Oh. There is it. There it is. Then that's all. Not that's all. I mean, for the home page. For the home page, that's all. But there will be another row called app.row and int Gus like this. So we're gonna have Gus if the Gus is greater than the correct number, then we're gonna return h1 to height. Please try again. H1 and then the image source, image source will be, let's say, let's go to giphy.com. Let's stop this first. Giphy.com. I think I typed something wrong. Wait. G-O. file, gif. I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's too long. You can just go ahead and like choose whatever image you like there. So I just gotta type the link over here. https media0.com media. So you can skip the line over here because I'm typing this LKPT C5 MG I3 NJE XY21 ZA G9 HE W02 ADHN M3 H2 EH FNC DUC EN LJ Z3 DMB XN 3B. Wait, let me just check. Go ahead and okay. Yeah, I would just leave that if I can. DMB 2Z I AG 03. Oh my gosh, this link is too long. Why? What's that? WQ. Oh, where was I? Wait. MY3 Q9 ZW 3OG 0I UW MP DM 2P DT L8S. Yeah, that's all. Then the width. Oh wait. Then I will also make the width to be 300. Wait, let's run this again. No, I don't mean by run. Wait, just copy this. Oh, it's not done yet. Yeah, it's correct. you can see that it's like that one. You can like get others too. So we're gonna say if the gus is if the gus is less than the correct number, then what we're gonna do is return h. We're gonna say return h1 h1. We're gonna say too low. Please try again. Then we're gonna say h1. That's all. Then we're gonna say image source. We're gonna say image source. There are too many links. HTTPS. Let's go get the link. So we're gonna say new window. I'll just go ahead and get the link. Okay, there we go. I hate typing, that's all. Yeah, there we go. Width 300. I already have a full code of this. I already had it. I already have that. But kind of like recording that back so you guys can see it. So just like that. Another one is like we'll say else. Instead of this, we'll say else. Else will be like kind of better, I guess. Yeah. Last code. That's all. Let's say like this. There we go. 88. Too high. From 1 to 100. So let's gus 20. Too low. A dog. So 20. Not 22 is too low. 40. Okay, too high. 30. So it's between 30 and 40. So let's say 35. It's too low. 37. So it will be 36 for sure. Yeah, just like that. It's easy, right? Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Bye.